Before this video starts, I'd like to say that this video is not sponsored by Samsung or anyone in this case, and this phone was bought using my hard-earned money, and it's purely based on my experience. Okay, so I purchased this phone on September 1st, right after the event. I've always wanted a foldable phone. I knew the moment I tried the Galaxy Fold in a store near me that I'd get the second generation. And I did, as you can see in this video. Now, when it comes to improvements, the Galaxy Z Fold2 has improved basically everything the original Fold had. Whether it's screen sizes, from a tiny 4.6-inch screen to a bigger 6.2-inch screen, and also a bigger outer display, 7.6 inches instead of the 7.3 found on the original Fold. Screen resolutions too were changed from 720p to 816p, for example. Camera cutouts, 2 tiny camera holes instead of a huge notch and chunky bezels found on the original Fold. Refresh rates too, from 60Hz to 120Hz, and even the screen itself has also improved from a plastic screen to an ultra-thin glass screen that's also found on the Z Flip. However, there are 2 things that are worse on Samsung's new foldable: the storage. It's only 256GB worldwide, and 512 is only available in China, while the original Fold had 512GB worldwide. The original Fold also shipped with Galaxy Buds, while this one ships with USB-C AKG earbuds. Okay, so what you've just seen is the unboxing of the Galaxy Fold 2, which was shot on Saturday. Today, it's Friday, and here are my impressions after 6 days of daily driving the Galaxy Z Fold 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is an incredible phone, and it does pretty much anything you throw at it without any problems. One thing I found amazing on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is that all good lock modules worked out of the box. Since I received it a little bit early, I thought it might not work all that well, but seems like it does. And for those who don't know what Good Lock is an app made by Samsung with tons of customization options and tweaks you can make to make your experience better on your Samsung device. I'll be making a video on it shortly. How's my experience been with the Galaxy Fold 2 so far? So far, it's been amazing. It's hand down the best device I've owned, and compared to my Note 10, the fingerprint scanner can be a little janky, but it's a bit faster. Now let's get into this place. The outer display is a bit hard to type on at first, but you'll definitely get used to it after a couple days. It's still 60Hz and under 1080p, so it's not the best looking display, but for notifications and quickly replying to messages, it's fine. The punch hole on the outer display is very, very, very small. It's about the size of the Galaxy S20 series, which is a little bit smaller than the Galaxy Note 10 series. The inner display is the complete opposite of the outer display. It's big, crispy, easy to type on, and it's 120Hz. However, the punch hole is a little bigger than on the Note 10 from last year, but it's not huge either. The crease on the Fold 2 is not noticeable at all when using it right in front of you and watching videos. So now, let's talk apps. Apps work amazingly well by default on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. I've heard people have some issues with the aspect ratio of the inner display, so maybe you'll have to use Good Lock for that, but for me it worked by default, which was amazing. So I think I went pretty much over everything. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is truly an amazing phone and hands down the best phone of 2020 and 2021 until the Z Fold 3 comes out, and I'm hyped for this one. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope to do more in the future. Goodbye.